Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using this watercolor book, and then I'm using for 140 pound, and then I'm using this card which is from Sarah Renee Clark. It's 244. Then I'm using watercolor paints which are from King's Art. And this is the brush, it is from Master Touch. So I'm going to use those colors from that card, and I'm going to take water and spread it out. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I may not reply to your comments immediately, but I will definitely reply. Then I'm adding the next color from that card. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. Here I'm just taking the paint and then I'm putting it on the paper. You can even spray some water and then spread it out. You can do either way. The paint is nice and bright. Then I'm just going to add on the top again and blend it. Now I'm going to dry this before going for the next step, and then I'm going to use this white acrylic paint pen, and I'm going to do some doodling. If you use like acrylic paint pen, those are much better and brighter. Now I'm going to use the acrylic paint pen, and I'm going to do some doodling. These are nice and bright. I'm going to end this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Uh, and then I'm going to see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for taking some time and watching my videos. Please share it with your friends. I will see you in my next project. Bye.